Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey there, future entrepreneurs. So today I am going to show you how to create a complete business plan from scratch using ChatGPT with the latest 2025 template that works for startups, small businesses, or side hustlers. I will walk you through each section, and I will share prompts you can copy paste into your ChatGPT to get the personalized results fast. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's dive in. This is the thing. I am using the ChatGPT 4 model or 4 model. This is the paid model that you can use. You have different models here that you can use, but if you're using a free version, it can still work out for you. The first prompt that we're going to talk about is on executive summary, and I will show you. This is the prompt that I want you to practice with. So act as a business consultant, write a one paragraph executive summary for a new coffee shop setup in Austin, Texas that focuses on organic, locally sourced coffee and eco-friendly packaging. Then you hit enter. So ChatGPT will go ahead and generate for you the summary, the executive summary that you want. So let's say, for example, here you have the Brew and Bloom is a new coffee shop started up in the heart of Austin, Texas, dedicated to redefining the local coffee experience through sustainability, community, and quality. Our mission is to serve exceptional organic coffee sourced exclusively from local Texas farms and cooperatives. As it continues like that, so if you found or if you find out that the information that is written here in this summary or generated by ChatGPT is not going with what you want or specific stuffs that you want to touch on, just command ChatGPT and then request it to redefine or refine your summary executive. Then the next thing that you can come up with is the what we call the company description. So here, describe your business goal, values, the legal structure, and what sets up what you set, what sets you apart. That's what I'm saying. So here is the prompt that you can also use. So write a company description for a subscription box service that delivers self-care products to women every month. So if you are having your own business niche, you just replace the description and the name of your niche. So let's use this as an example. So here you have the company description. The Serenity Create is a subscription box service. This one is describing your company and all that. If you find out that it left out some key ideas, you can still go ahead and tell it to redefine it. Then the next thing that I want us to talk about is the products and services. So you can also command or prompt your ChatGPT or for all to give you a description on that. Describe 3 core services offered by a digital marketing agency targeting small businesses, and you hit enter. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can get these prompts and so that you can practice with them to increase your write-ups, and you don't need to overthink. You just need to come up with different prompts. Then ChatGPT will help you brainstorm on your ideas. So here you have the social media management, the search engine optimization, the web design and development. Then the fourth prompt that I want us to go through is the market analysis. So this section, the market analysis explains who your customers are, your competition, and your market opportunity. So you ask or prompt your ChatGPT to give you that description. So it will go ahead and describe that for you. So once you can go through also to counter check the information that ChatGPT has developed for you to see if it fits what you're looking for. Then the next thing that I want us to talk is about the organization and management. So this introduces your team or structure, use titles, and show your expertise. So this is the prompt that you're going to use. Create an organizational chart for a small text startup with a team of 5. So let's click enter to see what it gives us. So it will go ahead and create for us that. As you can observe here, you can even ask it to uh, recreate this like an image or a thumbnail or something like that. So you can just request it to redefine that for you. It has given you the role breakdown: the CEO, the tech leader, the product manager, software engineer, marketing leading, and all that. So you can play around with it to redefine your thing. Now, tell your audience how to also plan to attract customers and generate sales. That is on marketing and sales strategy. You can also come up with that prompt. Then ChatGPT will give you the output for that prompt. So as you can see, it has created a very nice output for us. We have the marketing plan, the fit flow, the fitness coaching app for millennials and all that. So you can still play around with the age, the places and all that. Just make sure you update your ChatGPT, you tell it what you want it to write for you. So it's still creating for us what we want. Then the next thing, we can also request it for financial projections. So you need to you need to show your investors or banks that your business can grow and make money. So for you to do that, you need to prompt your ChatGPT to give you that the best output, what you're going to write. Make sure you counter check your data. Make sure your ChatGPT does not just give you assumptions and hallucinate to some extent. So you can give it real data here to work with. So if you as this one is just create a 3-year financial projection for a small bakery, a bakery with $50,000 startup capital and all that. So you can give it your figures if you're working with them to work with real figures. This one it has broken down the whole $50,000 into the what you need to do, what you need to start up with, the additional capital required, and the business not yet profitable and all that. Notes, it can also give you that. Then the next thing that I want us to talk about is the funding and funding request, which is normally optional. So if you need funding, explain how much and how you will use it. So you can prompt your ChatGPT to give you that output. Then after that, after everything that you've done, you can also finish up with your appendices or the appendix. So you find out that you have the full business plan developed for you. So create a sample appendix table of content for a business plan, and it will go ahead and do that for you. So what I'm trying to do here is you can also prompt it to give you the download form for the whole write up from the beginning, so that you can go ahead and change and refine some content if you want it to do that. So you have come up with a full business plan just using your ChatGPT. So make sure you use these prompts. If just change your business niche, if you're working with chemicals, just change it to like for example the chemicals or the name of your company. Then it can go ahead. Make sure you give it you upload the real data to make sure it gives you the best output. So you don't need to start from zero. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm, draft, and polish your entire business plan. Just make sure you customize everything with your real numbers, goals, and personalities. So use ChatGPT with plugins like, for example, the Wolfram, Wolfram or upload Excel sheets for real-time calculations and graphs. So if you want downloadable 25 business plan template with ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts, just go ahead and tell it to download or write the written information up there in the download form. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what business are you planning to start this year. See you in the next one, and remember, dream big, start smart. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.